my god, I feel so tired, you guys. So tired. Okay, first, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I promise you guys I am back for real this time. I am back with vlogging and other content, so I'm so happy and I am sweating. Look at this, you guys. Look at this sweat. Can you see that? Yes, back from work now, you guys. I can't even talk because I'm so tired, you guys, and I promised myself that I am going to vlog when I'll be back home. So here I am vlogging today after work. Yay! I'm so proud of myself, you guys, because I want to be back to do this because this is something that I like and something that I enjoy doing. So when I stopped for 3 months, you guys, I was destroyed, like full of guilt, and I was like, okay, I'm going back to YouTube, but yeah, didn't happen. So now I'm back, so happy. So okay, let's put this like this. So I am walking in the mall, so you can imagine, you guys, we have Zara, we have Primark, we have Stradivarius, we have H&M, we have almost all the store inside. So it's kind of difficult for me to control myself to buy some stuff, but yeah, sometimes it happens. You can control yourself, and now there is a sale, so I'm like, when I see something cute, I can't even control myself. But here I am, and yeah. So today morning I stopped at Zara. The bag is all destroyed because I went to walk today with bike, because I prefer bike than bus, because sometimes you have to wait so much for the bus because I can't drive. So yes, and my kids and my husband, they are on vacation for 1 week. They went on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. Now I'm alone for 1 week, you guys. I'm walking in a bus, so sometimes I take something for breakfast for the day after. So today I got this red velvet cake. This is my favorite. This is so good. I have to put it in the fridge. Up to Palm, and I got shrimps, so I'm going to make this today. I promised myself that I'm going to eat something healthy and nice because I haven't been eating good nowadays. So I need first to charge my battery for the camera, because now I have 2 batteries, and yeah, so I need to have this extra because I promised that I'm going to vlog more and make more video. I think tomorrow I'm going to film recreating Pinterest outfit. Yes. Okay, this is what I got, you guys, from the supermarket. I needed soap, so I got soap and salad. Like in 2 days when I was at home, like I ate almost nothing. Like yesterday, let me show you what I ate. Okay, let me show you what I ate yesterday night. It's not even something bad, you guys, but I didn't know what to eat. I actually post this on my Instagram. Can you see that? Yes, this is what I ate. Looks so good, right? These are yellow tomatoes and red tomato, basil, bruschetta. This is bruschetta, but one I made because I wanted the food to have a little bit of more color, because I wanted to take a picture for Instagram. Yes, so one I put pieces of mozzarella with the tomato and basil, and then I put even a little bit of oregano. And this one here I put cream cheese down. Let me show you which one. This one here, cream cheese from Lidl. I normally do intermittent fasting, so I normally eat late breakfast. So normally I eat breakfast at 11, and when I eat breakfast I don't eat lunch, then I go straight to dinner. Okay, this is what I got, you guys. I don't even know why I stopped to show you what I got. I'm talking too much today, I think because I'm tired. Yeah, so I got shrimps. I'm going to make shrimps and 3 apples. I really love to eat apples in the morning. I love apples in the morning, cold apples. And Coca-Cola zero, Coca-Cola zero. Coca-Cola zero, and avocado, because I love to make eggs with avocado aside. Yes, that's what I got. And later, you guys, or tomorrow morning, I think later, now I have to go to change, and then we are going to make dinner. Yes, so yeah, later I'm going to show you what I got from Zara, so keep on watching. Let me go to change, put something comfortable, because as I told you guys, I'm sweating. First, I need to start to make rice because it takes a long time to make rice, so I'm going to do that. Make enough for even tomorrow, so that I won't have to cook even tomorrow. This is enough, I think. I think it's too much, but I think it's enough. Clean. This high. Salad inside. This is going to be a vlog for only one day because I think I'm vlogging too much. Or I don't know, maybe I can do like a weekly vlog or just vlog today, and I don't even know like what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to vlog only today. Crazy. Oh my god, I'm crazy, you guys, I'm crazy. I always have my headphones at home nowadays, because I prefer to put like the music so loud and just dance at home. Yeah, I'll show you what yours. Sometimes I just post anything on my Instagram. This is me yesterday. This is what I was doing yesterday. I spent all the afternoon, like after 3 till 7, filming, taking pictures for Instagram yesterday. I was so productive yesterday. I think that's why today even I'm tired. But today I think I'm so tired because it's super hot, you guys. Let me show you how many degrees. I think now it's much better because it's evening, but before I think it was even more than this. 31 degrees, you guys. 31. So hot. Oh my god, look, Friday weather. Look at this, you guys. 37. Oh my god, this is insane. Okay, so just going to cook the rice. Stop talking because this vlog is going to be super long and it's going to take me forever to edit. I know myself. This is it. I have Zara whole video which I have to edit, and I think I'm going to edit that today before going to bed, since I have nothing to do. Yes, and yeah, we are good. So I'm just going to leave. I just use rice. With my rice, I just use water and a little bit of olive oil, and I put salt a little bit. So simple. I'm just going to show you now, and then later I'm going to try, because I told them that I'm going to, if these things they're not going to fit me, I'm going to return them tomorrow. This is the dress that I got from Zara. I really like the flowers on this dress and the style of the dress too. This one was $19.95 and I got in size S. And I got, this is so cute, and I think this is good price for this blazer. This is cropped blazer and I really love the material of this. This one is €19.95. Here it is. And then another thing that I got is this oversized blazer here. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know how much I love blazers. So this one was 29.95 euro. I think I'm going to return this. I don't know, I'm not sure, but then I am going to return one of these things. I don't know. I got this costume for Esmeralda, which I'm going to return. Oh my god, I have my fan with me. You guys, you need to get this fan from Amazon. If you live in Italy or anywhere where it's hot, this fan here is a lifesaver. It has 3 speeds, you guys, and it works amazingly. You guys hear that? Yes, love, love, love this fan. And yeah, so now I have to go to cook. Stop talking. I'm going to put down this thing. We have this in Italy. Woo, duck. Need to go to cook. This is so good. This is tonic water with lemon flavor. So good. I mean, these tomatoes from my balcony, they're so good, you guys. You don't even have to put salt on them. They're so good. I need to buy another tomato plant because I don't want to grow them from the seed. I just want to buy like a plant which is ready already. It's easier. Eh sì, non lo so.
Domani vanno ancora domani vanno del contadino.
Porta le patate per favore.
Sì, le prende.
Sì, bravo, le patate lì sono buonissime. And salad. This is what I'm going to eat today. I think the rice is so much, but I'm going to finish all of it because I'm so hungry, and I have a little bit of salad to refresh my face and I have a little bit of salad as I showed you guys how I made it. So easy, maize and No salad. It is so good, guys. This is the leftover. See, the leftover that I'm going to eat tomorrow is that one. So I know tomorrow when I'll be back, I don't have to cook. I have my food ready and I don't have to go to the supermarket too. So I'm good for tomorrow.